To use PostgreSQL in VS Code, you need to install the necessary extensions and set up your PostgreSQL database connection. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install PostgreSQL. First, ensure PostgreSQL is installed on your machine. You can download it from the official website. After installation, make sure your PostgreSQL service is running. Install VSCode extensions. Open VSCode and install the SQL Tools extension, which is a popular extension for database management. You can find it by searching for SQL Tools in the extensions marketplace. Additionally, install the SQL Tools Postgre or Redshift driver to enable PostgreSQL support. Configure PostgreSQL connection. Press Ctrl+Shift+P or Command+Shift+P and search for SQL Tools. Add new connection. Select PostgreSQL from the list of database types. Fill in your PostgreSQL connection details. Execute SQL queries. Once connected, you can open an SQL file in VS Code, write queries, and execute them by clicking on the play button or using the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E.